Migration. Migration means to escape from the harsh cold conditions to suitable warm places to get proper food and shelter. Birds migrate to warmer regions when winter sets in. They come back after the winter is over. This is called migration. One of the most common migratory bird which comes to India every year for a few months is the Siberian crane. The normal habitat of Siberian cranes is Siberia. When winter sets in Siberia, it gets extremely cold. At that time, the Siberian cranes fly thousands of kilometers and come to relatively warmer places in India such as Bharatpur in Rajasthan, Sultanpur in Haryana and some other parts of India. They stay in the warmer places in India for a few months. The Siberian cranes fly back to Siberia when the winter gets over there and climate becomes favorable. Every winter, the Arctic tern flies all the way to Antarctica and returns to the Arctic region when it is summer, covering a distance of about 35,000 kilometers. The deserts. The deserts are very hot and dry places. There is usually scarcity of water. Animals living in such areas are well adapted to survive in a desert. A camel has several adaptations to survive in desert. It has a hump where fat is stored. The camel utilizes this fat as food in case of scarcity of food. A camel can close its nostrils to keep away the blowing sand. It sweats very little and also excretes very little water in urine. This helps to conserve water. It has broad feet which helps to walk on sand. It has long legs which keep the body away from the heat of sand. Long eyelashes protect the eyes from sand. Most animals which live in the deserts spend the daytime hiding in shady places. They come out at night to look for food. They are called nocturnal animals.